Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a charming 4-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you in Old Town Gardens in Long Beach, Mississippi. This home has great curb appeal, an open floor plan, and it's only 8 years old. There's so much to see inside. Let's go in and take a look. I love this floor plan. It's one of my favorites, and for so many reasons. The first of which is it's basically split 3 ways, which is so practical for privacy reasons. Now, as we step into the first of the 4 bedrooms, this is currently being used as an office, but of course it is definitely a bedroom. It's got that double window in front, lots of natural light just flooding on in. Now, as we head back into the small hallway, we have the shared bath between these 2 bedrooms. It's got a tub shower combination, plenty of room in here, and all neutral colors. Now, we're going into bedroom number 2. Again, lots of space in here. This actually has a double bed, could easily fit a queen, and still lots of other furniture. All right, still so much more to see. Now we're stepping back out into the main hallway. Before we get to the main living area, there is a linen closet here. There is a 2-car garage behind this door, and then there's a very spacious laundry room right here to my right. Now we're going into bedroom number 3, which is also being used as a home office. I know it's a little hard to imagine, but this is a great size for a bedroom. Very, very practical, having this room off to itself, those 2 up front, and then we've got the primary suite in back. Let's go take a look. Another thing I love so much about this floor plan is the main living area. It is wide open, which I love. And would you take a look at this kitchen? It's huge. So we've got this really big kitchen island. Then we've got all this counter space next to the stove, which is great for prep and cooking. And then we've got this big pantry behind me, and even this additional counter space here, which would make a great coffee bar or even additional serving space. Now, another thing I love so much about having this big island is it offers space for 4 bar stools. And then we come on over to the main dining area. And again, lots of space. This is a table for 6 people. This spot could easily accommodate 8. Then we move into the actual living area. And wow, again, so much room for seating. We have a full-size sofa here, a love seat, 2 big chairs. It's very comfortable in here. Then we've got this huge wall that could accommodate any size TV. And then we've also got these 2 big windows letting in all this natural light. And spoiler alert, there's a really great patio out there. It's really a backyard oasis. We're gonna see that in just a minute, but first, let's take a look at the primary suite. In the very beginning of this tour, I mentioned that this floor plan is split 3 ways, and this is the 3rd split. So here's the primary suite. We're on the very back of the house, which is great for privacy from the other bedrooms. This room is really huge. This is a king-size bed behind me. There's a large dresser, a vanity table, 2 big nightstands, and still plenty of room in here. We've got that double window right there letting in all the natural light. It's a great view out into the backyard. Now, then we step into the ensuite bath, and wow, what a great space this is. It's practical, it's big, lots of natural light, so much to love about it. We've got this dual vanity here, very practical, a very nice deep soaking tub, and a totally separate 4-foot stand-up shower. And to top it all off, it has a separate water closet for privacy, and there's also a huge closet. Wow, so much in this space. Let's go take a look at that backyard. This outdoor area was made for entertaining, so there's so much space out here. There are little nooks for everything. There's the whole outdoor cooking area, there's the TV, we've got lots of seating here. It continues on this way, and then there's even the dining table. This house even comes with this incredible hot tub. Wow, I mean, you can just move right in and start relaxing. This is a great size for this patio, and it's even fully covered. The yard is fenced all the way around. This house has so much to offer. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.